unbelievably cold. It's so cold in here, I can't believe it. You'll see people, when you see shots of the audience, you see people with gloves on and stuff. That's how cold it is. It's very comfortable. Let's go on to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. Ryan and Colin, why don't you come up here and get ready? Gonna come right behind you, buddy. Hi. What's your name? Kathy. Kathy, why don't you go up, stand right by my podium there? What's your name? Bina, come on down here and say hi to everybody. Kathy, this is yours. Nice to meet you. Bina, this is yours. Take that microphone. What's going to happen is these guys are going to do a scene for you. And Bina and Kathy, Bina, you're going to do sound effects for Colin. And Kathy, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan during the scene. It's going to be really great. You guys are going to supply the sound effects. The scene is two nervous World War II paratroopers are about to leave on a mission to parachute in occupied France. You got that? So take it away, and you guys are doing the sound effects.
Helicopter's almost here. Why we're not going on a plane, I don't know. I don't know why I have so many classes. They're bombing us. We're on your side. We haven't even left yet. Sounds like the whole thing. Start up. Let's see. Let me help you with your chute. Better buckle it in front. I got one of those Velcro things. Right. Oh, hang on. It sounds like we're taking off. Here we go. It's best to go really slow so we confuse the enemy. Now we're up in the air. The engine just stopped. All right. I think we're getting close. Hook up. Look. I'm still trying to... I know you're nervous, but you gotta calm down. Sorry. Are you ready? I have to hook up still. Oh, let me just tie it. Are you ready? Yeah. There must be France underneath it. How can you tell? It says France. Oh. Those maps are more realistic than you think. Try to land on those cows. All right. It'll break our fall. Ready? I'm ready, friend. Go, go. I'm pulling my chute. Uh-oh. Let me try mine. Nope. I'm completely naked. Mine might work eventually. Okay, I used my pants. Aim for the cows. Boy, good, solid landing. Should have brought a gun, I guess. Yeah. All right, push. Bees! Bees! Hey, for the water! The water! Thank you. Thank you very much. That's great. Very well.
Thank you, guys. 1,000 points apiece for each of you. You guys are great. Thank you very much.